Hi guys, I hope y'all are doing well. As promised, I have an upcycle video. Okay, full disclosure you guys, before I get into this demonstration of my upcycle video, I don't condone keeping raggedy items. So if it's beyond repair, please dispose of them safely and responsibly. I have this bracelet that started to wear off. I'm going to tell you how this can turn back to its original state when I first purchased it to look more like this section right here. I'm a firm believer of not wasting money, so I try to find ways to save even more with the things that I already own and not to throw them out and get my money's worth. Here's what I used. That's all it is. It's just shoe polish. Who would have thought shoe polish can take care of custom jewelry as well? I want to create that same effect that I did from the worn off area to this right here, to where it's all solid black again. So I'm just going to take that side. I'm going to take my shoe polish and then dab. And it really doesn't take a whole lot. I'm just dabbing it little by little. And a lot of these things that you have at home, you really just need to test a little part or a little section of what you want to repair or upcycle and just test it and see if it works. And that's what I did with this bracelet. I just tested a small section. This bracelet is made of wood, and I didn't think it was going to stay or keep the solid color black on wood, because this is for leather and canvas, but it didn't say anything about wood. But I just tried it, and after a certain point I dried it and it worked fine. Now, I didn't rub off. So I'm gonna let this sit for approximately 30 minutes, and I'm gonna do bits and pieces at a time, because there's crevices and also on the sides as well. Now, I know some may say, why don't you just use paint since this bracelet is made of wood? And you really have to be careful with types of paints, because there's so many variations. Some can peel, crack, and without the know-how, it can actually look messy. The finished product looks a little bit more refined than an at-home do-it-yourself. So that's why I chose the shoe polish instead. Here is the finished product. It took a few seconds of my time in manual labor and 2 to 3 days of just sitting around drying off. I spent no money in materials because I already had shoe polish at home. I can enjoy this bracelet a few more years. As always, thanks again for watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed.